To keep your meals fun and something to look forward to, theming your meals to the days of the week is where it's at, especially if you have kids. Like, have you checked out our Appetizer Fridays? Chef's kiss. They are so good. While this routine isn't set in stone, it does create an amazing framework to create some delicious meals that are also cost effective, because that is important here. Now, here's a quick example of how I use these two tips in order to create an amazing meal plan. Sunday is family style. We're making baked chicken with roasted potatoes and carrots. Monday is meatless, tofu bowls with rice and cabbage. Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Tacos de carnitas with pico de gallo and guac and chips for the kids. Wednesday is healthy. Brown sugar salmon with quinoa and broccoli. Thursday is lazy dinner. Trader Joe's orange chicken with rice and green beans. Friday is our famous Appetizer Friday. Hot wings, flatbread, and veggie platter. Saturday, keeping it open.